Never mind. Amy,
Jump on him! Jump on him! Jump! Oh!
Oh no, hell no, boy. Y'all done up and done it. Oh no, hell no, boy. Y'all done up and done it. Oh no, hell no, man. Y'all done up and done it. Y'all done up and done it, man. Y'all done up and done it. My first song was like 48 bars with no hook. You hear me flipping through my pages out my favorite notebook. The microphone was in the closet. No headphones, we lost it. Niggas scared to get some water. Roaches hanging over the faucet. No AC, there's a break of sweat just trying to make peace. E-Dub was been the hustler, flirting with all his customers and flat broke. Nappy smoking blacks out on the back boat. I'm thinking I got everything a country boy can ask for. Now what we do to get here? Say that, boy. Lay it down and bring it to you raw. Say that, boy. Hey, now we heard some, suffering for more. Change what we work for. Hated for the cussing, but the hatred it made us cuss more. Held on, but it was hard. Stepped up, took charge, ran through what we scared of. What was we afraid for? Look at what we made of. Hard times done made us. Being here is alright, but must believe we won't fall.
Fit from that rooter to that shooter foul. Hell no, them country boys ain't hit it time off 6 miles. Kentucky mold, them kinfolk. Twankies with them hunters folk. Scullet on that front porch. Plus you know they got drove. 79, Coupe de Ville. Heard a cow, cat a grill. Interstate 65. Headed down that cash field. Glass field to the tippy top. Backseat bin. Spent my last cent on the rent. Left a pocket lint. A damn shame. Gotta grind anything and everything. Jimmy crack on. Cross the county line with Mary Jane. A long time ago. Gravel road to cash and bang and sold my soul to hell and back and forth with same jeans and napping fro.
I walk the hottest, I like my party. My parties and shorties, swallow like they swallowing Bacardi. Love butter skin, probably gotta like it. Understand, you're bound to lose your life. Fucking with them.
Here we are. Thanks for coming out tonight. What's up with mailboxes? It's not even shaped like a box, you know? I mean, come on. These guys driving around, look at me, I'm going to put mail in your mailbox. They're taking it out, they're putting it in, there's a flag up there. What's going on with that? Oh, man. What's the deal with veterinarians? I think they just like sticking things up dogs' butts. I like that. You don't see me saying, hey, I'm a veterinarian. I'm just an ordinary guy doing my thing.
You know?
What's it called, a pinky? Shit ain't pink. What the hell? You know, it's got a nail on it. It doesn't look like a nail. And why do you hit your nail with a hammer? Think about that. That's something to think about. Hey, you know what? People buy, my parents, they buy light bulbs from blind people. Why don't blind people like light bulbs?